I just ordered an Ecotric Fat bike and couldn't really find any assembly videos beforehand to know what I was getting into, so I thought I'd throw one together. The bike that I got was the Ecotric Hammer. The other mountain bikes I'm guessing will be similar. I know they have some smaller folding bikes that may be different, but this should give you a general idea. No instructions that I can see. Let's open this accessory bag and see if there's anything here. Maybe. Let's see. The bag. Assembly. Instruction manual. So, let's see what we got here. Okay, so the user manual is for every single bike they make. It's not specific, so we're going to go with the good old-fashioned take all the packaging off and see if we can work this out. Now, I'd read in some of the reviews that there were bent spokes when they arrived. Let me show you this real quick. The crankshaft is weaved in between these spokes. So if you were to just yank on this, where it got pulled during shipping, I could see that spoke being bent. Let's see if we can get this lifted up and over here. Okay. There we go. Okay. Not sure that's going to help at all right now. No, that's not going to help. Start to get the skin up there. So I think we got everything off. And it would appear that we just need to get the pedals, the handlebars, the front wheel, and get things tightened up. Let's see if that goes easy. All right, here we go. I got a little styrofoam cooler to help hold things up. I'm going to try to use only the tools that they sent in the pack, which are these 3 Allen wrenches and one, what is this? Looks like maybe a 1/2-inch wrench. If that becomes problematic, I'll grab my own tool. Let's go ahead and get these handlebars installed. I'm also not going to tighten the neck quite yet either. We'll get everything on there first. Alright, so next, our front wheel and our through axle is actually bound to the spokes here, so let me get our cutter. Not cut the spokes. Okay, there's a little plastic thing sitting in the spoke hubs here. We need to take that off. Then we need to align the rotor hub here with the brake calipers. One hand. Probably without the cooler. Okay. Oh, slide this up in here. I'm not actually sure which way this goes. Let's see. We're going to put it this way, and if it doesn't work, we'll take it off and put it the other way. Right. Let's see. Okay. May need a little adjusting, but we can do that later. For sure, like a full bike. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and get everything that we put on, angled right for me and tightened down, and then I'll come right back. I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of this, the controller and the pedals put on here, and I'll record. Maybe I'll just fast forward through this part. All right, on these pedals, see if I can show this. You can kind of see it on the camera there. Here on the edge here, one of the pedals has striations on it. Yeah, you can't really see. That is your left pedal if you're facing forward. Okay, well, we got everything put together here. I did take it around the block once without the battery in there, just to make sure the brakes and handlebars and everything were tight. Everything looks good, so we'll slot in the battery and see how it goes. One note, the battery, I plugged it in, it seems to be fully charged, so there's a plus for you. We'll take it for a ride and I'll give you an update later.